வெல்கம் டு T2G சேனல். நம்ம இந்த வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, இப்போ ஆஃப் இயர்லி எக்ஸாம் நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆக போகுது. ஸோ அந்த ஆஃப் இயர்லி எக்ஸாமுக்கு எல்லா ஸ்டாண்டர்டுக்கும் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்டோட ஆஃப் இயர்லி 2, 3, 5 மார்க்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மேக்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 marks question. First one, prove that cos theta minus sin theta cos theta is orthogonal. Second, find the modulus of 1 minus I divided by 3 plus I plus 4I divided by 5. Next question, find the value of tan minus 1 tan pi by 6. Next one, find the center and radius of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Next one, verify whether the line x minus 3 divided by minus 4 is equal to y minus 4 divided by minus 7 is equal to z plus 3 divided by 12 lies in the plan 5x minus y plus z is equal to 8. Next one, evaluate integral log minus log 2 e minus modulus x dx. Next one, determine the order and degree if exists of the differential equation. First, d squared y divided by dx squared the whole square plus dy divided by dx the whole square is equal to x sin d squared y by dx square. Next question, find the principal value of cosecant minus 1 minus 1. Next, find the equation of the parabola if the curve is open upward. Vertex is minus 1 minus 2 and the length of the lattice rectum is 4. Next one, if 2i minus j plus 3k, next 3i plus 2j plus k, next I plus mj plus 4k are coplanar, find the value of m. Next one, determine whether the pair of straight lines or is equal to 2i plus 6j plus 3k plus t 2i plus 3j plus 4k, next r is equal to 2j minus 3k plus s bracket I plus 2j plus 3k or parallel. Next question, using Rolle's theorem find the point on the curve y is equal to x squared plus 1 comma minus 2 less than equal to x less than equal to where the tangent is parallel to x axis. Next one, find differential for pi y is equal to 1 minus 2x for whole cube divided by 3 minus 4x. Next one, evaluate integral minus pi by 2 x cos x dx. Next one, write the Maclaurin series expansion C. Next, if A is equal to matrix 8 minus 4 minus 5 3, verify that A adjoint A is equal to adjoint A is equal to modulus A I2. Next question, form a polynomial equation with integer coefficients with the root of root 2 divided by root 3 as a root. Next one, identify the type of conic section for 11x squared minus 25y squared minus 44x plus 50y minus 256 is equal to 0. Next one, find the acute angle between the straight line x minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to y divided by 1 is equal to z plus 1 divided by minus 2 and x minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to y plus 1 divided by minus 4 is equal to z minus 2 divided by 2 and the state whether they are parallel or perpendicular. Next question, suppose f of x is a differentiable function for all x with f of x less than equal to 29 and f of 2 is equal to 17. What is the maximum value of f of 7? Next one, if the radius of a sphere with radius 10 cm has to decrease by 0.1 cm, approximately how much will its volume decrease? Next one, evaluate integral 0 1 x cube 1 minus x squared dx. Next one, prove that variable ax plus b is equal to a squared variable x where a and b are constant. Question, let A matrix 0 1 1 1 B is equal to matrix 1 1 0 1 be any two Boolean matrix of the same type. Find A distinction of B and conjunction of B. Next, if modulus z is equal to minus 2 plus I modulus less than equal to 2, Then find the greatest value of modulus z. Next one, solve 6x minus 7y is equal to 16. Next, 9x minus 5y is equal to 35 by using Cramer's rule. Next one, if x squared plus 2 bracket k plus 2, x plus 9k is equal to 0 has equal roots, find k. Next one, for what value of x, the inequality pi by 2 cos minus 1 3x minus 1 less than pi holds. Next one, the line 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 meets the coordinate axis at A and B. Find the equation of the circle drawn on AB at diameter. Next one, find the length of the perpendicular from the point 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 to the plan x minus y plus z is equal to 5.27. Next, the sides of the equilateral triangle are increasing at the rate of 2 cm by 6. Find the rate at which its area increases when side is 10 cm long. Next one, solve dy by dx plus y by x is equal to sin x. Next one, prove that in a algebraic structure the identity element of it exists must be unique. Next one, evaluate integral 1 to x cube minus 1 divided by x squared dx. Next, இப்போ 2 marks question முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. இப்போ நம்ம 3 marks start பண்ண போறோம். If f of alpha is equal to cos alpha 0 sin alpha 0 1 0 minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha, show that f of alpha minus 1 is equal to f of minus alpha. Next one, find the value of the real numbers x and y. If the complex numbers 3 minus I, x minus 2 minus I, y plus 2i plus 5 and 2x plus minus 1 plus 2i, y plus 3 plus 2i are equal. Next one, find the polynomial equation of minimum degree with rational coefficients having 2i plus 3 as a root. Next, solve tan minus 1 x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan minus 1 matrix x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Next, a parabolic communication antenna has a focus at 2-meter distance from the vertex of the antenna. Find the width of the antenna 3 meter from the vertex. Next question, prove that matrix A and B, comma B and C, comma C and A is equal to matrix A, comma B, comma C the whole square. Evaluate x limitation 0, 1 divided by x minus 1 by e power x minus 1. Next question, evaluate integral minus 1 log 3 minus x divided by 3 plus x dx. Next one, form the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants given in brackets. Y is equal to e power 3x c cos 2x plus d sin 2x c comma d. Next, draw the geometrical diagram for the sum of two complex numbers z1 and z2 and verify that result. Next, find the principal value of cosecant minus 1 minus 1. Find the equation of the parabola if the curve is open upward, vertex is minus 1 comma minus 2 and the length of the latus rectum is 4. Next one, if 2i minus j plus 3k comma 3i plus 2j plus k comma I plus 3mj plus 4k are coplanar, find the value of m. Repeated question. Next one, determine whether the pair of straight lines are equal to 2i plus 6j plus 3k plus t of 2i plus 3j plus 4k comma or is equal to 2j minus 3k plus s of I plus 2j plus 3k are parallel. Repeated question. Next, using Rolle's theorem, find the point on the curve y is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2 less than is equal to is equal to where the tangent is parallel to x axis. Next, find the differential for by y is equal to 1 minus 2x power cube divided by 3 minus 4x. Next, evaluate minus pi by 2 integral minus pi by 2 x cos x dx. Next, write the Maclaurin series expansion of e power minus x. Next one, find the fourth roots of unity. Next, if p and q are the roots of the equation x squared plus px plus q is equal to 0 and x squared plus p1 plus q1 is equal to 0. Next one, have a common root, show that it must be equal to pq1 minus p1q divided by q minus q1 or q minus q1 divided by p1 minus p. Next one, evaluate sine minus 1 bracket sine 5 by 9 cos by 9 plus cos 5 pi by 9 sin pi by 9. Next, a room 34-meter long is constructed to be a whispering gallery. The room has an elliptical ceiling of the maximum height of the ceiling is 8 meter determined, where the foci are located. Prove that A in B, comma B in C, C and A is equal to ABC the whole square. Next one, expand tan x minus pi by 2 less than into less than pi by 2 using Maclaurin series repeated question. Next, find the approximate value of 4 root 15. Next, evaluate integral 0 to 1 x cube e minus 2x dx. Next, solve cos x dy. Next question, evaluate integral 0 to 1 x cube e minus 2x dx. Next one, solve cos x dy by dx plus y sin x equal to 1. Next question, if A matrix 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2, show that A squared minus 3A minus 7I2 is equal to 0, then find A minus 1. Next question, find the rank of matrix 3, minus 8, 5, 2, 2, minus 5, 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Next one, if omega not equal to 1 is a cube root of unit, show that plus b omega plus c omega square divided by p plus c omega plus b omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square is equal to minus 1. Next one, if alpha, beta, gamma and or the roots of the polynomial equation 2x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x squared plus 8 is equal to 0. Find a quadratic equation with integer coefficients whose roots are alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta and alpha beta gamma delta. Is next question is cos 1 minus x is equal to pi minus cos minus 1 of x. True. Justify your answer. Next one. Prove by vector method that the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Using the I-Hospital rule, prove that x limitation 0 bracket 1 plus x power 1 is equal to e. Next one, evaluate integral minus log 2 plus log 2 e minus matrix x dx. Next, show that y is equal to e power minus x plus mx plus n is the solution of the differential equation e power x of t squared y divided by tx squared is equal minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, on is defined plus by m star n is equal to m power n plus n power n binary on Z. Next one, the line PP is a focal chord of the parabola y squared is equal to 8x, and if the coordinates of P are 18, 12, then find the coordinate of P. So, டோட்டலாக இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த 3 marks and 2 marks நல்லா படிச்சுக்கங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம 5 marks question பார்க்க போகிறோம். First one, solve the equation 6x power 4 minus 35x cube plus 62x squared minus 35x plus 6 equal to 0. Next, at a water fountain, water attains a maximum height of 4 meter at horizontal distance of 0.5 meter from its origin. The flow is from the origin and the path of water is a parabola. Open upwards, find the height of water at a horizontal distance of 0.75 meter from the point of origin. Next one, if a is equal to I minus j, comma b is equal to I minus j minus 4k, c is equal to 3j minus k and d is equal to 2i plus 5j plus k. Verify that a cross b and c cross d is equal to b comma d c minus a comma b comma c d. Next question, find the vector and Cartesian equations of the plan. R is equal to 6i minus j plus k plus s minus I plus 2j plus k plus t minus 5i minus 4j minus 5k. Next question, a hollow cone with base radius a centimeter and height b centimeter is placed on a table. Show that T volume of the largest cylinder that can be hidden underneath is 4 by 9 times volume of one cone. Next question, expand log 1 plus x as a Maclaurin series up to 4 non-zero terms for minus 1 less than x less than equal to 1. Next question, if u is equal to x, y, z, comma, x power e power minus t, comma, y is equal to e power minus t, sin t, comma, z is equal to sin t. Find du divided by dt. Next question, solve bracket y minus e power sin minus 1x dx divided by dy plus root of 1 minus x squared is equal to 0. Next question, a multiple choice examination has 10 questions. Each question has 4 distractions, exactly one correct answer. Suppose a student answer by guessing, and if x denotes number of correct answer, find one binomial distribution. Second, probability that the step next will get 7 correct answers. Next one, at least one correct answers. Next question, show that pq is equal to p distinction q conjunction p distinction minus q. Next question. Solve the equation x power 4 minus 14 x squared plus 45 is equal to 0. Next, using vector method, prove that cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Next, sketch the curve y is equal to f of x equal to x cube minus 6x minus 9. Next, if f x comma y is equal to sin xy squared plus e power x cube plus 5y for all x comma y, epsilon r squared, verify dou squared f divided by dou y dou x equal to dou squared f divided by dou x dou y. Next question, a hollow cone with base radius a centimeter and height b centimeter is placed on a table. Show that the volume of the largest cylinder that can be hidden under 10th is 9 times volume of cone. Repeated question. Next question, verify first closure property, second commutative property, third associative property, fourth extensive of the identity, and fifth existence of inverse for the operation x of 11 on a subset A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 9 of the set of remainders 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Next question, a watermelon has the ellipsoid shape which can be obtained by revolving on ellipse with major axis 20 cm and minor axis 10 cm about its major axis. Find its volume using interaction. Next one, if x is the random variables with the probability density function f of x given by f of x is equal to x minus 1 minus x plus 3, 0, 1 less than is equal to x less than 2, 2 less than equal to x less than 3. Next one, find the distribution function of f of x. Next, p 1.5 less than equal to x less than equal to 2.5. Next question, find the equation of the ellipse whose eccentricity is 1 by 2 on one of the foci is the 2, 3 and a district is x equal to 7. Also find the length of the major and minor axis of the ellipse. Next one, a tunnel through the mountain for a land highway is to have a elliptical opening. The total width of the highway, not the opening, is to be 16 meter and the height at the edge of the road must be sufficient for a truck 4 meter height to clear if the highest point of the opening is to do 5 meter approximately. How wide must the opening be? Next one, by vector method, prove that sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Repeated question. Next one, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the plane containing the line x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to z minus 1 divided by 3, and the parallel to the line x plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 1. Next one, a conical water tank with the vertex down of the 12 meters height has a radius of 5 meters at the top. If water flows into the tank at the rate 10 cubic meter by minutes, how fast is the depth of the water increases when the water is 8 meters deep? Next one, prove that among all the rectangles of the given area, square has the least perimeter. Next one, if you x comma y is equal to x squared plus y squared divided by root of x plus y, prove that x 2u divided by 2x plus y 2u divided by 2y is equal to 3 by 2u. Next, solve dy divided by dx plus 2y cot x is equal to 3x squared cosecant squared x. Next, the rate at which the population of the city increases at any time is proportional to the population at that time. If there were 1,30,000 people in the city in 1960 and 1,60,000 in 1990. What population may be anticipated in 2050? Approximate 2000s bracket 16 divided by 13 cubes equal to 1.86. Next question. Find the area of the region bounded by y is equal to cos x, comma y is equal to sin x. The lines of x equal to by 4 and x equal to 5 by 4. ஸோ டோட்டலாக இதில் 2 மார்க்ஸ் 3 மார்க்ஸ் அண்ட் 5 மார்க்ஸ் எல்லா கொஸ்டினுமே கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நம்ம இதில் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அதிகமாக தான் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரிப்பீட்டட் கொஸ்டின்ஸும் நிறையா இருக்குது. இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா போட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ஹாஃப் இயர்லியில் சென்டம் மார்க் எடுக்க முடியும். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யுவர் வாட்சிங்.